Situ inasobanga tanzo wunzo mna mesomito. So banga tanza wunzo. Muna mesomito tutimona bonsieto musoba yena. Sieto musoba yena. Bima de tumwese kese mazono. Serviça e mambo makala bonsiku mazono no meka mambo mankembo babingi vavovanga vo mambo katsika mwana yakala bonsiku wanata muntu akakamuvumo kyandi ndavazaviba
oh hapaka bantu bole menzambi nilokena fweti yanga lala mumbelolo na munjatulu zabu Kemo kwa yahandi Sudiang kintu sudiang zambi tutanga beto kuna kuma Kongo Bungong kito lianda falanga biabioto Fulame hologo yeah Kemo kwa mfumo Wanamboka kunana roto emuko muta mfumure yelema kayo yo tuvutukanga Ngana yo, je vous entends pas.
tuvutukanga
Est-ce que là-haut, est-ce qu'il y a des gens là-bas? Mais si.
tuvutukanga
Demelo mame, olo zankento gogo.
tuvutukanga
Ngarale maloro, lili bobolongo tuvo.
tuvutukanga
Tuvutukanga yo,
tuvutukanga
ala ya joro.
tuvutukanga
Longa. Régulièrement.
And we're back in third quarter planning. Adams is quarterbacking this project, and she is looking pretty tired, Jill.
She's stuck, Bill.
Kwame Kasana Sia Longo, Sia Longo, Longo. Mono Kwame Kasana Sia Longo, Sia Longo, Longo. Yandikafundi zingulu zangani yaya Yanika inkentwangani yaye Ebo ebebo Yandika kangwa kindo kikampimpa yaya Yanika insusu zangani yaye Ebo ebebo Yanika fundi zingulu zangani yaya Yanika inkentwangani yaye Ebo ebebo Yanika kangwa kindo kikampimpa yaya Yanika insusu zangani yaye Ebo ebebo Lusale, lusala Lusale, lusala Lusala mbotezano kanyukere sosa yaya Lusala nzambia nikoni wakumbaka yaye Ebo ebebo Lusale, lusala Lusale, lusala Lusala mbotezano kanyukere sosa yaya Lusala nzambia nikoni wakumbaka yaye Ebo ebebo Lusale, lusala, 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 lusale, lusala. Kwame Kasana Nzia Longo, Nzia Longo, Longo. kwa mikasa nzia longo. Zia longo. Longo, 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 Si eu tô nessa bantanha, eu vou ser um meio meso. Sebangantanza wanza Muna mesa meta tuti mana vaksieta mana subayena Sieta mana subayena Bima bitu mwesa ngakiesa mazono No beti kutu servisa Imambo makana wansiku mazono no mika mambo mankembo
Go back about to Poland, Zamini go Kena. Fetty young and the lager. For back and over believe what decide. Oh, back about to Poland, Zamin Penny Hooker. Again to Galifana Biabioso. Oh, it's in a poco.
J'ai rencontré Freddy. C'était à Kinshasa. J'ai vu à quel point il sait faire le grand écart entre nos traditions, les percussionnistes traditionnels et modernes en même temps. Et c'est un écart qui n'est pas évident à faire. Donc du coup, c'était vraiment intéressant d'avoir un grand vocaliste qui a un pied dans la tradition et un pied dans le moderne. Ça faisait beaucoup d'éléments pour que ça devenait évident pour moi de travailler avec lui.
Faïlema, dans beaucoup de cœurs des Africains, beaucoup. Une nouvelle génération, mes parents l'ont écouté, ma génération a écouté, les jeunes qui sont... Il n'y a pas d'obstacle, nous sommes dans la même direction.
Prochaine chanson de cet album très émouvant,
c'est le sambo. Le sambo, c'est la prière. Donc, nous, en Afrique centrale, surtout nous les Congos, parce que nous venons du Congo, nous sommes de l'ancien royaume Congo, nous avons notre manière de louer le Dieu qu'on appelle Zambia Mpungu, le Dieu puissant. Et là, nous l'implorons pour qu'il ait un œil de compassion pour le peuple Congo qui est un peu délaissé. Et c'est notre prière pour que ce peuple se réveille, retrouve ses valeurs, des valeurs d'humanité, d'amour. Voilà.
À vous, merci.
Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Ta, Yalulendo, Ta, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Tata Wepusu, Umbaku Yasemune, Wayamiti Kandi, the Sala Okoma, Fumu Yalulendo, Geviti Biabiosono. Guayambiri kandi bia salamo komaku Bantu pe munzayi Eberi wasara bonzo Guayambiri kandi bia salamo komaku
Zambe yokomo la kosambela Mozani siwa di corona se Kembo na kombo na yo Mozadi siwa bikela monyonso
Ta, Yalulendo, Ta, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Ta, Yalulendo, Ta, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu. Pasi mukota josulu Bimbe bobina yokanzambi kumeka bana bilungu Bia osono bilingana Ngewa salabyo Guayambirikandi ya salaboko maku Vava toto ngepi vama piwa vana bifeji kama Matupeba bonsoro vana peki belo kyokia sungama Kuna zulu yekutoto Kumwaku ya zangu kao Wayambirikandi ya salamoko maku Ta, Yalulendo Ta, Yalulendo Vanatunu Ta, Yalulendo Ta, Yalulendo Fumu Vanatunu Ta, Yalulendo Ta, Yalulendo Vanatunu Ta, Yalulendo Ta, Yalulendo
Non, 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 non. Le grand mix.
Zebelenzunga nenje chimuna muna kechilombo jata Beso mani mamweni mina kechilombo mona Oko mani mashimbi di bina kechilombo shimba Beni twali mweni mina kechilombo mona Zebelenzunga nenje chimuna kechilombo jata Beso mani mamweni muna kechilombo mona Oko mani mashimbi di muna kechilombo shimba Say ni twani himweni, muna kechilombo mona Wo. Mtotonto wanelewe, kana mabanga choma mingime, sambu bya banga chobya bingipye, akanda manza yichoma mingime. Totonto wanelewe, akanda mabanga choma mingime, sambu bya banga chobya bingipye, akanda manza yichoma mingime. Jedi Banza munzai nimeno kakakwana tekela. Jedi Banza nzai sambu. Jedi Banza tizuri nizonza nijokwe kwa konsono. Jedi Banza timekwa ndiye mputu chomo nzai babingi pe. Wo. Mtotonjo wanelewe, kana mabanga choma mingime, sambu bya banga chobya bingipye, akanda manza yichoma mingime. Totonjo wanelewe, akanda mabanga choma mingime, sambu bya banga chobya bingipye, akanda manza yichoma mingime. Minamona meno miamona mbwa miasuki na kumtima. Bwabunzebi. Minamona meno miamona mbwa miasuki na kumtima. Mingi mweni timani uchunini, chana nzaka kwazi bele wo msungamane zebambo wa chaluwa. Mingi mweni timani uchunini, chana nzaka kwazi bele wo msungamane zebambo wa chaluwa. Mingi mwenye oh mikutudi timani wo kwenzange every week more bandu. Subla meso tala domi yokane, simani wako nsomo kengele, wako nezala wako mbantwe, wako ndile, simoni lume kwa, tabi wome kola, every week more.
Sito inasabanga tanza wuzum na mesomito. So banga tanza wunso.
Tokolonga, mon mère, Rogatien Milord, Garo Marca, Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie, nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences et ensemble. We are one, you and I. Let's stick together. Lego kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tondi magambo ebele ya sala na kimia eloko nyonso komaka na ngonga nango.
Kiambo de Tata, can you hear me?
Yes, Kiambo de Tata Panzu.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
No, not too bad, thank you. Let me just greet the audience. Welcome. If you're watching, we thank you. Do not move. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Yeah, sorry, Tata. I forgot to remind you, I was about to remind you on Friday. Then I said, okay, let's do it on Saturday. Oh, too late. I forgot to do that.
No worries.
Anyway, tunama vimpi Tata?
Tunama vimpi, yeye no,
Itebe tunama vimpi. Diambote kikizo. Uno sita mokina fioti. We're going back to let me just try to display it. Demonstrative adjectives. Yeah, remember? Remember those that no, let me just display because I'm going to test you. Small exercise. You can see my screen, isn't it?
Yes, I can see it. Yes.
Okay. Yes. This is from for someone who is new. This is the work done by Tata Makonde Choir. Very good. They did well. I mean, Tata Makonde Choir and Reverend Makonde Choir, I'm sorry, and Professor Hezokata. Yes. University of Wisconsin-Madison. Yes. Ekikutukiaki Ozolanga Kyo Itoma Kyozolanga. Remember object concord. This is it. Kyo, yes?
Yes.
This is adjective, yes. This is object concord. It is very, very important Kikongo language. Yes, very, very critical. Critical. Okay. Otusansu toa tu ozolanga to ingeta itomoto zolanga. Oh, okay, this one is not matching. Never mind. I'm going to display it there. Just try to jump. Okay. Here, that one is very, very important. I want you to focus on this because I'm going to test you. If you pass the test, you will be speaking. You are speaking proper Kong. I mean, remember our motto, little but master. Do you remember?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Can't have your cake and eat it, man. We're doing our best. Here, okay. Let's talk about diaki. What is diaki that I singular? Remember diaki?
Oh, it's an egg.
Yes, egg. Yes. So diaki di, we say diaki dia di ozolanga dio. Yes. Do you like this egg? Yes.
Okay, so class 5.
Yes. Okay. Good. This is class 5. You have class 11. Yes, class 5, class 11, class 13. Yes. Okay. To move my pointer. That should be here, yes. Remember, this is object concord. The proper adjective is there. Yeah. Sorry. You just have to remove it. Focus on this total is very important. Proper adjective is diadi, yeah?
Yeah.
Diadi is your diadi. I'm trying to highlight it. Yes. Diadi is your, of course, is your objective adjective. But in this case, it's matching with your word, yeah? Diagi, diadi, yes?
Okay, yeah. So object, that's the, okay, yeah.
Object concord for this is dio.
Okay.
Then you have, this is presentative, yeah. It is your diaki, diadi. Okay, I'm showing show give you no. Okay, I'm giving you the diaki. Yes, this I'm giving you. Okay, I'll come to you total diaki edi. Have it. Yeah, this is. You could say in French you could say ceci. Yeah, voilà, voici. Total.
That's what. Okay, and that's the presentative.
Yes, in French you could say ceci, voilà, voici. Here you have it, yeah, have it. Here you are, yeah. Excuse me. How would you say it in English then?
Yeah. I mean,
yeah,
here it is.
Yeah, yes. In French, ceci, voici, et voilà. Another expression in Kikongo would be bongalemeso mwene, yes? Bongalemeso mwene. You could say any class, yeah? Put this one aside, but we'll focus on this one. So, Edi. Diaki, object concord, diaki dio, yes? Dio, yes. Ozolanga dio, diaki diadi. Then you have a presentative, yeah? Edi, here you are, have it. Is it clear, Tata? Just remember, we play with D, yeah? D, dio, diadi, Edi. Yes?
Okay. Okay, no, I see. Okay. Yeah, no, I got it.
Yeah, we're moving, going. Don't worry about the top, yeah. The top is don't worry about that. We just Let me make your life easy. I just want to focus on this. Maybe one day we're going back to this one. Then here, object 11. Yeah. Can you see my pointer? Is it moving?
Yeah, I can. No, I don't see him
No,
moving.
let me take the big one. Can you see? Yeah, 11.
Yeah,
11,
I
yes?
can see it. Yeah.
Then the class 13. So here 11 we have L, yes, low. Let's say longo wedding, marital life, yeah. Longo lualu, yes, your demonstrative, yes. Longo lualu, ozolanga lo. So concord, object concord lo. Now let's use another word. Let's say luku. Luku is luku. What is luku? That I remember. Cassava porridge, yeah.
Luku, okay.
This is translation, but fungi. I remember in Portuguese. Fungi, yeah. Luku. So if I say luku lualu, this is demonstrative, yeah. Lualu. Uzolanga lo, yeah. Concord, yeah. Lo is concord. This is very, very important in Kikongo, yes.
Okay.
In terms of syntax, yeah, remember totally. People speak. I wouldn't name anyone here. People speak, but not necessarily correctly. Yes, totally, yes. In terms of grammar, the natives, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, they do speak like that, man. Not necessarily correct. Okay, luku lualu, ozolanga lo. Then I come to you, Tata. Here's luku, I have it. Here you are. Tata, yes. Voici luku, in French. Olu.
Okay, so you say
olu.
Luku Olu, okay.
Yeah, luku olu, yes.
Okay.
Tu senso. Pronto, speaking português. Tu senso é plural. O senso would be class 11. O senso singular, but tu senso we're going to tu senso plural. Class 13, yes. So tu senso toi tu. Try to highlight. Tu senso toi tu. These stories or tales, yes. Uzolanga to, yeah, to is there. Then I come to you. Here you are. Have it. It is here. Otu. Stories otu, yeah.
So is it okay? So is it to swan to O2 or
tu sensu tu atu, tu sensu tu atu, yes. Tu sensu is the word, né? The word, then you have a tu atu is your matching, the matching demonstrative adjective. Correct, Tatana?
Yes.
Now I'm going to test you. Focus on object concord. Yeah, the test. This is the test. Didio, yeah. Lulo, to, yes. What would be the object for ma? Mambu. Object concord. Mambu.
Mambu.
Mambu mama is your demonstrative. Mama, then the concord. Mambu mama ozolanga mo, yes.
Ozolanga mo.
Yes. Yeah. Mambu is your demonstrative.
Yes.
Mambu mama ozolanga mo. Yes. Let me try to test you that because it's very important. I'm going to remove this one.
Okay, so I guess my question is, so the demonstrative is what? Is mama?
Yeah, mambo, yeah, mambo, mama, yes, yeah. Well done, yes. Yes.
Okay. So I thought the demonstrative was specifically like kiaki or.
It is, but remember the keyword is matching the word. Here I'm just focused on those objects that match the adjective. Yeah, totally. Because it's not necessarily the remember exception Gikongo is 20%. Yeah, this is should be 1%, but we just focus on something that's wherever there's a pattern, we'll focus on that. Because when I say Diambu Diadi, there may be some word which is not the D, but match with Diadi. Yes?
Okay. Okay. Wow.
Now let me just bring let me just bring my. Yeah, there are things that we just need to memorize. Sorry, we have no choice. Where is my file? It is here. Yeah.
Okay.
Just focus on this one. Don't worry about that. Is it too small? Let me just.
Yeah, if you can make it bigger. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Did you say?
Is it better now, Tadele?
Yeah, this is better. Yeah.
Yeah. So on this list, you have. This is just something I did to simplify, to make it easy. Make it easier to you. Kima, Kiaki, Kimbundi. Can you see the pattern?
Yes.
First syllable of the word, and there's a repeat on your demonstrative, yeah? Diambu diadi, disa diadi, diaki diadi. But you may have a word, let's say, I don't know, something beginning with syllable D, but the adjective may be kiaki. Are you with me, Tatana?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Because let me just try to remove this. I'm going to. They don't match always. They don't always match. Sometimes. Go to this one. This one. If you go, I think let me go back. Can you see my page?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, here we have Kikutu. Don't worry about the vowel, the first vowel. A, O, but the word is Kikutu, Kiaki. But can you see the first letter M, Pu, M, yeah?
Yeah.
There's no matching, yeah? M, Pu, Yai. There's no.
Yeah.
So, just need to memorize. Tapa tu Zazi, of course. Then ma, dia, okay. Ma, yes. Luku, Lualu. Nkanda, wow. See? There's no, they don't match. Are you with me?
Yeah, I see.
Are you with me? Yeah. Hence, we just focusing. Okay, just focus on my list. Yes, because you see here we have vata. The first syllable is vata, but you have okay. This is a typical example. Tatana. Yes, see, vata diadi. Can you see that? Yeah. Tatana, can you see vata?
Yes.
Vata diadi. Vata, of course, not to D, yes? Not D. But Vata goes with.
Wow.
Yes. Don't worry about that. Don't just that's what I'm saying. Just focus on. Just bring my. Now you're doing well, Tata. Don't worry. Just focus on my list because this one we have words. These words not they do much yes, Tata.
Yeah.
Adjective. Yes. Let's say we have Kimbundu kiaki kunda kiaki ya ke longo lwalu yes. Luku lwalu maza mama. Madezo mama, madia mama. So situatu. A question tata.
I mean, I have to.
You have this file, yeah? Tata?
Yeah, I think you sent it. Yeah, you did.
I did. Just focus on this word. Don't worry about the other words. Ready for the test?
Yeah. Let's,
yeah, briefly. Okay, let me just bring my. We're talking object concord. Yeah, Tata? Where's my phone? Okay, this one. Can you see my file, Tata? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. This is very good, this one. Okay. That should be okay. Okay, over to you, Tata. We're just using object concord. Keba is the verb protect, yes? To be careful. If someone says Keba, but they use in Lingala, but Kong. Remember Lingala? Just it's a Creole language anyway. Keba means be careful, yes?
Yes.
Keba to protect, to take care of something, to be careful, yes. So, Kikutu, just remember the first syllable. Think about your object concord. Object concord is just one syllable. Don't mix up that.
Mm-hmm.
The demonstrative adjective is not object concord. Object concord, something that matches the same thing anyway. They do, all of them do that. But in this case, just focus on object concord. So, Ediaki, Longo, Mambu to Sansu. Okay, the first one, can you try to?
So, Kinkutu Kiaki.
Well done.
You Keba Kyo.
Well done, yes. Try to translate into English.
So, this, I guess this shirt protected or Kinkutu? No, Kinkutu is what? Is that?
Yeah, you're right. Shirt.
Yeah, this shirt.
Yeah, no, you think
no, is it be
Lu is your second plural. Right? It is your first plural. Person pronoun. Yeah.
Okay. So, but this shirt.
Mm-hmm.
You
yes.
Be careful.
Yeah. Take care of this shirt.
Take care of this. Okay.
Yeah. It's a present context. Well done. Yeah. Okay. Ediaki.
Is it Daddy?
Yeah, well done. Kikutu Kiaki, yeah, sorry. Kikutu Kiaki, yeah. Ediaki.
Ediaki Diadi?
Yeah. Then object concord.
Lu Keba Dio.
Yes. Try to translate them.
This egg, be careful with it.
Yeah, the other one, try to Do it upside down. I mean, start with your verb. Yeah. Protect this egg. Take care of this egg.
okay.
Yeah?
Take care of this egg. Okay.
Elongo.
Elongo.
L, yes.
Elongo.
Lualu.
Lualu. Yeah.
Yeah?
Elongo Lualu. Lukebalo.
Yes. You're speaking good. You're speaking good Kikongo. Remember, Papa Makonde was very, very brilliant man. He was very, you call in psychology, you say, what's the expression? Perfection. I don't know.
A perfectionist.
Yeah, he was. He was a very great man. I remember because we went to some church, Kaka, elders, yes, the Mutaza one. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
We'll be singing from the hymn book, of course, in Congo. Sometimes people misspell. There's something that we always we assume is correct, but he would stand up, stood up. Sometimes we would say, no, stop, please. This is how we should read that sentence. Are you with me, Tata? I remember the exact song. Where's the song? Okay. Okay, there's a song in English, Kwangwazeto Wawete. We always sang Kwangwazeto Wawete for years. One day he came and said, no. You should say Kwangwazeto Wawete. This is Papa Makonde. So, Longo Lwalu Lukebalo. Emambu mama, lukeba. You have M.
Emambu mama, lukeba mo.
Yes. Otusansu tuatu. You have T.
Lukeba to.
Yes, well done. So I'm sure you came across someone who's called Lukeba Dio and Lukeba Kyo. Yes? Lukeba is Kikongo name, yeah? Some people are called Lukeba Kyo. Okay. We assume they're referring to the object K, class, K, yes?
Yeah.
Lukeba Dio. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Yeah. Lukeba ekikutu kiaki lukeba kyo. Ediaki diadi lukeba dio. Elongolwa lukeba lo. Emamama lukeba mo. Otosansu tuatu lukeba to. Yeah, there's even a song, Zaiko, Congolese band. They sing Mo Mambu Makiva Villa. Mambu Makiva Villa. Mo Mambu. Mo. They say M-O. It is your object concord. Although the other way around. I don't mean the other way around. Mambu Mama. Mo Mambu. Mambu Mo. That's not even Mambu Mo. Remember, yes? We're talking about, let me just try to highlight. Is it? Mambu, yes, is here. Mambu Mama Lukeba Mo. Mo Mambu. So, they're using, instead of using the word, it is correct because instead of using the object first, they're using object concord first instead of the word. Yes?
Yeah, so it'll be what? Mambu.
Yes, well done. Yes, correct. Because in Congo, either Mambu Mo Mambu, same thing, yes?
Yeah, so then how do you end it? Like, so then how would you complete it?
Sorry?
How would you complete this expression? Mo Mambu Lukeba.
Yeah, Lukeba Mo, you repeat the Mo, yes. Mo Mambu Lukeba Mo.
Oh, okay.
Lukeba Mo, yes. Okay. Mo Mambu Lukeba Mo. Mambu Mama Lukeba Mo. Mo Mambu Lukeba Mo. Same thing. Is it confusing?
Okay, no, okay.
Mumambu. Let me try if I can. Mumambu. No, no, this is another. Let me try. Okay, this one should go Lolongo, yes?
Yeah.
You begin with your object concord, then you Lolongo, yes? Correct? And look about Diodiaki, yes? You can say that, yes? Correct.
Okay.
Diodiaki, yes? To Sansu, yes. Well, that's a question. No? No question. Don't worry, we're going back to that next time. Just remember our motto is little but master. That's what you remember? Yeah, now we're going to talk. It's good to talk. Okay. Kambote Tata. You don't know who I am. Kambote Tata.
Kambote Tata.
Kumba kunani Tata.
Kumbwame Alain.
Kwe uzinganga. Yeah, remember where is where? As soon as you hear where, you just remember your how do you call it, preposition? Look at
Yeah.
KU, yeah.
Okay, so
cool, location.
Cool, Washington, Izingan.
Well done, Kumbanza, Washington, Uzinga.
Yeah.
Mbanza, Washington, Uzolanga iyo.
Okay, I got it.
Mbanza, Washington, Uzolanga iyo.
Okay, do I like this?
Yeah, Ingeta, yeah, remember the same thing.
Ingeta, Itoma.
Just repeat my object control.
Itoma, Izolang, is it?
Oh, let me try to correct. That's why I keep saying it is hard object concord, yeah? Yeah. Uzolanga lo ingeta itoma, just repeat toma lo zolanga.
Well, can you repeat that again? You said it really fast.
Sorry. Mbanza yai, Washington. What was the question? Mbanza Washington uzolanga yo. You could say Mbanza yai.
Okay,
Mbanza yai. Then you've already guessed my object concord, yeah? When I say Mbanza yai.
Yeah, but how did you come up with yai? It's not mama or Mbanza.
No. This is
Mbanza yai.
It is hard. That's why I keep always going to the hymn book, because Kikongo hymn book, Kikongo song written we sing is very. It is Kikongo 19th century Kikongo, yes, on hymn book, yes. Mbanza yai uzolanga yo. Mbanza Washington uzolanga yo.
Okay, Ingeta.
Itoma.
Itoma yo zolanga.
Yes, well done. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Nza means NZA. Nza means world, yeah? WORLD, yes? Nza.
Okay.
Yeah. Le monde, umundu. Yes? NZA. Yes?
Yeah.
Enza yai uzolanga yo.
Ingeta.
Yes. Itoma
yo
Zolanga. Yes.
Zolanga.
Yes. Diambo tegi kilo. Tuton de le tata ne. Kikongo ozolanga kyo. Kikongo ozolanga kyo.
Ingeta.
Yes.
So Itoma Kyozolanga.
Yes, yes. Ndinga could mean voice or language. In this case, we're talking about language. Kikongo is a language, of course. If I ask you to tell him, Ndinga yai ozolanga yo.
You said Ndinga yai ozolanga yo.
Ndinga, don't worry about the A. Okay, let's say Ndinga yai. Ndinga yai ozolanga yo.
Itoma
yo, yeah, yo.
Itoma yo
Zolanga.
Zolanga.
Yes. Remember on that sentence we have two how to describe it? We have objects concord and your adjective. If I say diaki diadi ozolanga jo, you have a diadi, which is your demonstrative adjective, yes? And
yes.
Jo is your object concord.
Object concord, yeah.
Yeah, you show me diadi, you show me diaki. Now we're talking about presentative.
Yeah,
show me your, you come to my house. Diaki is here. Diaki is here. Yeah. Think of E. Think of a D.
So it'll be
Diaki. You start with your
Diaki Eddie.
Well done, yeah. Luku Olu. Yes. Yes, well done. Okay, we're done. Question, Tatan.
No. This is.
I wish the great man was here. Tatan.
Yeah, this is. I mean, it's almost like you have to be immersed in the language to
yes
to pick it up.
Yeah, but you know you have the fundamentals, you know the basics. It should be, I mean, this is the tool you have. Once you move to, if you want to move to that, you go back to land, go back to Mbanza, Congo, yes, it would be easy.
Yeah,
it would be easy,
yeah. Then I guess the intent is to get the basics. I think build a good foundation.
Yes. No, Papa Makonde, he done a good job, very good job. Because I know a professor in America, he speaks basics, Kikongo. From that document, yes?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, tout de l'état. Thank you very much for the time. Sorry, London clock, UK clock went forward.
Yeah, no problem. So I know next week I'll be ready.
Yeah, tout de l'état. When the Cambo de tat.
Lusala Cambote.
Yo.
Timba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Sorry, Nicolo. Edouard Bongo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masangila. Zozo Lukanu.
Politiza Keita Kulama
Serge Ndodo na San Diego.
Kwenda